Well, I think we're very pleased with the results, and a 14% net profit improvement year on year is actually a very strong performance, given the backdrop of the macroeconomic challenges. If you peel the onion a little bit more, you mentioned about the associates coming in very strongly. If you look at the associates growth, is a 15% net profit growth year on year as well when you aggregate all the associates together. But not forgetting the core business, our core telco business in Singapore and in Australia actually also contributed 15% EBIT growth year on year. So combining the two actually gave us a very strong underlying profit growth for Singtel.
Yeah, Mr. Yuen, this is JP Ong. One other thing, and it was noted in the press release that it was the 5G and also mobile and associates that really boosted Singtel. But I'm curious as to what part the reopening of global economies and the resumption in terms of roaming demand actually played, if that played a part at all in Singtel's better full-year results. Actually, can you give us a bit more context and insight as to whether or not this was a significant driver, or was it negligible actually for Singtel, the restoration at least of mobile roaming in terms of its contribution to the top and bottom line?
Well, I think Singtel has got many different operating business. And if you look in particular in the mobile business, it is actually a very significant part of the business for the group beyond just Singapore and Australia, but also our associates. And if you look at post-pandemic, and there's a lot of revenge travel coming in both on business and leisure travel, that actually helped boosted the roaming revenue for Singtel and for Optus, as well as for all our associates. That is one big jump in terms of roaming revenue returning post-pandemic. Just to give you an indication, beyond that roaming contribution improvement, we also see core mobile revenue improving. ARPUs in Australia has been improving. We are also seeing ARPU improvements in our associates from India to Indonesia. So generally, I think the economic activities have actually spurred on the growth of the telecom business across the group.